Hi guys, I've just got a quick afternoon tour of my kitchen. I've just finished washing the dishes and have just accidentally finished dinner on time for the first time in a long time, right on time at 6 o'clock, because that never happens if I plan to do that. Good luck to me. It's really sunny here, so we use towels. I know, fancy. We're really fancy. My mom actually made these for my kids. This is one of my favorite ones. It's got the little Beatrix Potter scene on there. It's beautiful. So what I've made today is I've made a biryani for my husband, but I sort of cheated because the sauce, like the stock that I used, I made that last week with another one of this meal. I just put some new meat in to cook with some garlic powder, and then I added the stock, and then we cooked it for about an hour and a half or 2 hours, and then when it got a bit soft I put the rice in, so it's all ready and ready. I should actually take it off the heat. Yes, I'm a really tidy cook, and I always scrub my hot plates. This bin is saving us a lot of problems. We didn't have a proper bin for a while. We had like an open bin, and now I've got this touchy bin. Bing! But something's on the lid. What is that? Oh, it's a little bug. Tiny bug. Yeah, so I'm really loving this at the moment. Someone is asleep in here. Yes, there's actually a person in there. Would you like to see him? His name is Omi. Oh, there he is. There he is. Hello, handsome boy. He's having a little afternoon nap, and I had to do this because we've got the air conditioner on, so he's just gonna, like, I don't know, really be cold if I don't do that. Here I've got some spot painting that my kids do. We've got these, they call this spot painting. It's the Imaginarium paints. This is an orange one we haven't used. My daughter loves the red. She's obviously done this a lot with the red. She is 2 years old and did this perfectly, so hello OCD! And my son stuck the pom-poms on. My daughter put the pom-poms on this one. This was something to distract her while I was doing the washing up one day. She likes to do spot painting in here as well, which is her, what is it called? Lalaloopsy book. Another thing we're doing today, this is like 6 p.m, so I'm just showing you the last bits of my day. This is like, we went to bed late, so we're up at 11, so my day is sort of halfway done now. It's so dirty on the floor here, I don't know if you can see. I need to vacuum this and mop it properly. This has happened. I have so much washing. I just put a load on actually. Hello, my favorite appliance in my whole house. Yeah, so I'm doing a load of washing. This, well, should have been hanging in the sunshine all day. That would have been really cool. But it wasn't. Fail. The blue in there. Okay, I'll tell you what I'm using for my wash. I'm currently in love with the Costco 120 washes, 6-liter value pack of Omo. I never bought Omo before. I only bought like this sort of, what is this, Thai Omo. It's from a service station. It was really cheap, like for all this powder, like 2 big tubs of powder in there was, I think $28. I used to just use that, but then we went to Costco and we found that you can get 6 liters of the real Omo, which this one you have to, it's not the real Omo, I don't think. You need to add like stain remover to this. This one you don't, so I use way less. I just use the little cup that I keep up here. Hello. And you just like get it out here as if you're having a drink at a really fun party, but you're not. It smells okay. It smells really good. Yeah, your clothes smell really fresh when you've done them. But the thing I've been adding recently, which just has made my life unbelievable, is the Cuddly in the Sunshine Fresh, this fabric softener. Oh my lord, oh, it's like a really beautiful man's perfume mixed with a really beautiful old lady's perfume. It's like a handsome old man that you're smelling. Does anyone know what I mean? Like, am I the only one? Oh, it's delicious. It smells like an old lady's house where her husband just went out for lunch and got dressed up and put his cologne on. That's the only way I can describe it. It's like floral with something, something beautiful. I don't know. So that's my favorite. I organized this the other day. This is my laundry room. So these are my spare things. Shush, it's so annoying. This is my laundry room. Yeah, so I've got my iron there that we use maybe twice a year when we go to a wedding or something. I've got methylated spirits just for memory's sake of growing up in Australia, because that's like amazing. Window cleaner I never use, Jif that I use a lot, mold spray that we use a lot, floor cleaner, these were on special. I usually use though, for my floor cleaner, I use this. This is Scentsy, and these are washer whiffs in Scentsy. You meant to add these to this before you put clothes in, but the smell isn't strong enough for me, and I don't want to use millions of these every time I do a wash. My friend recommended putting them in hot water and washing your floor with it. Holy crap, it smells amazing. It is the best thing I've ever smelled in my life. So I use those for washing my floor more than this, but when I'm feeling like I should use something else, I might just put this on the floor and then use my very old-fashioned hairy mop to clean the floor. This is my Coles. This is my spare washing up liquid, like dishwashing. This is Scentsy. This is pretty cool. Aussie Plum. This smells really nice and sweet. Sort of like berries, really. I don't know how to describe it. It's really nice. This Anti-Bac Plus is from Aldi. This is the best smelling thing you can spray in your room. It's way better than this, actually. This is just from Aldi. It's like $3 or $4, and it's meant to get rid of germs. I don't even care what it does. It just smells like some sort of handsome man again. I don't know. It smells really nice. Do you get that I like perfume? And this is for the carpet. We have one carpet. Sometimes I use this. This was like really cheap at like a, I think it was a $2 shop. Oh, that smells yummy. And even when you vacuum a little bit of this into your vacuum cleaner, your vacuum cleaner will smell like this for like a month or 2 months, even after you've emptied it out. It just stays in there, and it's really, really nice. We've got our other things, our tire things. We never use that on our car. Other spare stuff, blah, craft supplies. Someone's awake and crying. These are our craft supplies. This is more spot painting. Spot painting, spot painting. Scissors, we have a million scissors. I don't know why. Tape, we have a million tapes. Glue, I got at the $2 shop the other day. This is for doing our pom-poms. Hello, madam. Hello. And yeah, bubbles we never take to the park. We always forget. Spare rags. So this is my fabric softener. Smelly nice stuff. Cleaning. This stuff is good. Gumption. And more cleaning stuff. And paper towels. And whatever. Yeah. We can't go out now. We'll go out another time, darling. I've been trying to keep my my lounge room clean. Is it working? Is it working? No, it's not working at all. What I need to do is, I try and get rid of this dog. Everyone wants it. Look where it ends up. We've been doing pencils. I think with kids, it's just going to be messy. Hello. Hello, sir. Oh my gosh. I've got some returns for Boohoo and for ASOS. I ordered heaps of clothes the other day. I ordered probably 15 things, and I'm keeping like 3. But it was worth it just to see what size I am. We've got Santa there. I think we're going to keep him all year because he's really fun. This is my kids' favorite toy, one of their favorites. This is Sesame Street House. I think it was like $35 from Toys R Us. And it's, yeah, it's just really cool. You can just put any toys inside it. You can put them through the windows. The doors open and close. Yeah, it's one of their favorites. We've had it for a few years now. I love the little piles of things I find from my 2-year-old. Look, she's just made like a box of blocks, basically. She's been carrying them around in a little pram. So cute. Yeah, Salah just ruined it. Oh, and they've ruined their bedroom. Do you like these designs? We got these little decals for the wall. These are so cute. I love them. We had this one before, the deer. This came with some trees and birds, and then I've put it again next to that. And we got my husband got him this 3D one. It looks really cool in real life. As you can see, sort of sticks out. There's parts that stick out in it like this. So it's really cool in real life. You can't see it on the video. And this is my daughter's little ice cream heaven where she sleeps with her little Peppa Pigs and Jemima and her little doll she got. Yeah, I made this for her on Christmas. I love her little bed, so cute. I cleaned my shower today. I'm not even going to show you in there because it made no difference at all. It's an old shower. What's the point? I've been keeping things pretty clean in here. I've actually wiped the floor on my hands and knees yesterday. Again, what's the point? It still looks dirty. And this is our bedroom. I just need to, I don't know if you saw our bed before. Obviously, I've just been throwing my clothes all over it. Yeah, I need to put these are our swimming clothes here, plus some extra things, random things. This is the bed that I bought for my baby for about $130. And he never sleeps in it. He hates it. He sleeps on a pillow in the middle of the bed, and we give him his own blanket. Well, that's a towel. We give him his own blanket, and he loves sleeping there. Yeah, he never, ever, ever, ever will sleep in here. He hits his hands on the side, and it's really rough, and it's just too small, I feel like. It's too narrow. Like, look, it's about the width of one tile. So, not a good one. And I've got to put my daughter's clothes away in her little cupboard. I love her little cupboard. It's like overflowing with new dresses now, because it's summer. She got some new dresses for Christmas. And this is my little baby's clothes that was really organized the other day. He's just gone up a size, so now he's got way more suits to wear. And this little waffle shirt, actually I think it's, where is this from? From Target? Maybe, I think it's just from Kmart. It's so cute. What brand is it? Kids & Co. I think it is just Kmart. Yeah. He's just gone up there, up in size, so now he probably fits this. He fits these 000 jumpsuits, and oh, I just love this little person. As you can see, keeping my dressing table tidy is going really well too. Yeah, go me. It's just a mess all the time. It just drives me nuts. But yeah, and a bike. Just a bike for fun. This is the yogurt we used. We serve with our biryani or our spicy rice or whatever else, our meat and rice. So I've got my 2-year-olds here. I didn't put any meat because the rice was cooked in meat. She might choke on the meat. It's really huge. This is for my 6-year-old. He might not eat it. He might cry because he hates spicy food. And this is my spicy food here, and my meat and my rice, my yogurt. Usually I make a thing where I do a peeled and pureed, like 2 or 3 tomatoes with 1 green chili, but I don't have time for that today, and I'm really starving, so I'm just going to eat it like this.
And click to subscribe on our video.
Oh, someone's been watching way too much YouTube, as you can see.